Today we are going to be reviewing the kids camera from Megachic. This is what it looks like and we're gonna be checking it out. Are you excited to check it out?
Yes.
You have the instructions and then you have this is gonna be the USB cord for charging, and then you do have the camera. This is a camera holder. It comes with a card reader. The camera comes with a 32GB card, and I like that it's front and back reader. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It's very light. So when you turn it on, you press this and that is how it comes on, and you can of course go to any of the options. This camera, display, this is the setting for games and also for music. So we're gonna record this. I recorded. Oh, come closer. Let's see. It's so cute. Oh, and the quality is really good. You can change different filters. You see, this is what it looks like with the strap, and even with the strap you can put it on your neck like that and it looks absolutely beautiful. So we're outside and we're gonna just show you the quality even outside. Quality is amazing. This is 1080p. And she has her own camera now, so she doesn't have to use other people's camera. So this is an amazing camera that I think it's adorable for kids, and I love the sounding is good. And you like it?
Yes.
Okay, absolutely love it.